Hello and welcome to room 2606 here at the Cordis Hotel in Symonds Street, Auckland in New Zealand. And it is a fabulous room too. Let me show you around. First of all, you'll notice the room's size. It is a massively spacious room. There is stacks of space to feel very, very comfortable in. Now let's start with the bed, and it's a king size bed and it has a nice soft sort of sink into mattress. Very, very luxurious. I'll be sleeping like a baby tonight. Bedside table here, which is nice. A little drawer space in there, shelf space to put stuff. You've got a USB socket here, so USB-A and USB-C, as well as sort of Australian, New Zealand 3-pin sockets as well there, as well as reading lights. Plenty of nice soft squidgy pillows. Again, you're going to sink into those later on. Over this side, on our bedside table unit, we've got an alarm clock, which also features a very handy wireless charging unit on there. And of course, there is also the USB sockets and the 3-pin plugs there as well. A nice chair to sit and relax on, maybe watch some TV. A very good sized window here. We're overlooking the Metropolis Museum and Park next to that there. Actually, the glazing is really thick. There is no road noise. It's actually really, really nice and quiet. Moving round, we've got a table to work at like that and a telephone to call down to reception. There is an intercom by the side of the bed if you want to dial direct to reception. Some nice deep drawer units here as well. Okay, moving on. Stools here, nice and comfortable, and a decent size full screen TV with a good selection of channels on as well. Over here, well, this is where the magic even happens further. We've got an espresso unit here. We've got some complimentary snacks here, which was really nice. Then you get into the drawers. Glasses, in case you want to bring some wine up, or some fizzy drinks, of course. Another drawer unit there, especially if you're bringing cutlery up. In here is a fridge. We like a fridge. You can put your medicines in there, bottles of wine, but there are some complimentary snacks in there as well, which included chocolate, bottles of water, milk, and some cans of Coke, which really like that. Okay, moving on. In this one here, we have a good selection of teas and coffees, including some pods for the espresso unit. Look forward to that in the morning. There is, for us Brits, the obligatory kettle, which we always love, a kettle. Right, let's move on. Down in here, we've got some hanging storage. And it's a pretty generous hanging storage area with some nice hangers. I like the fact that they're the ones you take off with the hooks on, not the ones where you got to loop them in. Some nice dressing gowns and robes here. Hidden behind there is an iron and ironing board if you want to look your best. A decent size safety deposit box. Really like the size of that. That's a really good feature. And then down in here, you've got some more drawers. This has got a sort of laundry request service in there with a laundry bag. And this has got some complimentary slippers and some brushes and polishes and shoe horns and things like that to get yourself in and out there. Really, really nice little shoe shine there. Make yourself look your best. Nice features again. Really like that. Okay, moving down. Beautiful full-length mirror. Really, really nice. More drawer space. Somewhere to put your case. Nice deep drawers. Really deep drawers. You can really, if you're here for a decent stay, you can really unpack and settle into the place. Over here, we've got the controls. We've got the air conditioning here. We've got the light switch. And we've got the privacy or service my room switch here as well. So if you want to do not disturb, you can just tap that and it means that nobody comes in and services your room. Now for the bathroom. And the bathroom is equally as spacious. In fact, it's very luxurious. Let's just start with the nice walk-in shower unit here. Beautiful rain shower as well as a conventional shower. Nice good size shower with some complimentary shampoo and conditioner and body wash there as well. Toilet, 2 toilet rolls there, a nice vanity sink, again with some more complimentary body lotion and hand wash here. Like about this is we have a shaving mirror to one side there, like that. And then we've got a shaver socket down here as well as some 3-pin plugs there. Glasses, There is a dental unit in here. Okay, a dental kit and some shower caps, all again complimentary. We kind of like that. Really, really deep bath. You know, that's actually, you know, probably more tempting than the shower. Now you may be thinking, why is there a window? Don't you get any privacy? Well, you can get privacy. You do have to pull down the blind here to get your privacy in the room, and that's absolutely fine. We've had this in other hotels elsewhere. It does seem to be a feature, but I'm sure you'll agree, a very, very, very pleasant room indeed. And one thing I have forgotten, of course, is the hairdryer. Most important for those people that actually have hair. Thanks, Nelly. Okay, so to sum up, what a fantastic room this is, and it was a reasonable price. We're here for 2 nights. Okay, and I'll put the price on the video below so you can see what we paid for it. But I think you'll find for a city centre hotel, and it is really conveniently located right for the main features and the main areas to visit here in Auckland, it's a really keen price for what you get. It's down as a 5-star hotel, and I think the room tells you why.